Thank you very much for inviting me to speak, and thank you. I would like to thank you all for inducting me in the Hall of Fame. I did not invented anything. I am not an innovator. And the only thing I did is in early 2000, when the Wi-Fi was just coming, I used the simple indoor router to make a long-range wireless link. 40-kilometer link to bring internet in my home village. That was the starting. I did not know that time much about the technology itself. I could not have done everything without the help of these undergraduate university students from America and Europe. It was a time when it was illegal. The government had banned to use all kind of wireless equipment and bring it into the country because of the fighting going there. So those university students, undergraduate students, they helped me to smuggle everything, all these these small indoor routers to the country, and they helped me to build. I work as a team leader for them, but without their help, I could not have done that. We, used this small indoor router and built our own antennas, different type of antennas, and became able to build the long-range, link, wireless link, and it was very surprise to most of these, telecommunication engineers, professionals, because they thought that it would not work, but that worked. So I would like to thank those friends from the early days also. I worked for 4 years from 2002 to 2006, building wireless network in the remote areas. And most of these areas, they don't have any roads and they don't have any telephones, electricity. I work illegally. We built the network illegally and brought the internet there and introduced into the schools in the communities. So in 2006, I went to the member parliaments and gave them presentation, telling them what we did to bring internet in the remote areas, and I told them how it is useful for the people in the remote areas as well. So and I asked them to legalize it. So within a week, they legalized the network and they delicense 2.4 and 5.8 gigahertz frequencies. So it's legal now. So we are using 2.4 and 5.8 gigahertz to build wireless network in the remote villages where no commercial providers are going, because it is not financially feasible for the commercial providers to go in the remote areas and provide an internet service and bring the benefit of the technology for the rural people. And that's what I am doing. And I hope that this award will help me to, convince the government to do more, to introduce the technology in the area, and for the benefit of especially for the people who are, at the bottom of the pyramid. So I am not only advocating with the government for open and free internet. I am advocating with the government to make, the internet available freely also, because the people simply cannot afford to have it. So for that, what I am advocating with the government is to use the Universal Obligation Fund to provide the free internet for the people in the rural areas and bring the benefit of the technology